how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix, and it's really interesting because I order from Stitch Fix quite often and I've never actually recorded it. So I thought it would be fun to do a Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys, and also try on, which I also don't usually do on my channel, but I thought it would be fun for you guys to actually see what I get and try it on. I'm such a sucker for Stitch Fix. I actually really love my stylist. I've had her pretty much the whole entire time. I think I've ordered about 10 fixes now, and the last time I ordered one was like a couple months ago, and my stylist was not who usually styles me, so didn't really like anything in that box, and so I wanted to get another one, and I wrote in my little thing that I wanted my same stylist. So I have not opened the box. The tape is still on it. I don't know what's in here, and I'm really excited to open it and try it for you guys. My dog is walking behind me. He likes to be in the videos. Okay, so if you want to see what's in my box, keep on watching. Throughout this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. I love to hear your guys' comments down below as well. Don't forget at the end of the video to check out my other videos that pop up on the sides. And I would love it if you would join my YouTube family, and sometimes you'll get to see this guy. Okay, let's hop into the video. So I am going to open my box, and I'm sorry my dog is on my lap, but I'm gonna take the scissors. And just so you guys know, I do have a Stitch Fix like friends code. So if you want to try Stitch Fix, go down in my description box and you'll see a link that I'm going to link for you, and I believe you get $25 off of your box. Here are the things in my box. Usually it comes with, for those of you who don't know Stitch Fix, it comes with a pre-packaged bag, so you can return all the items that you don't want to keep. If it's my stylist that usually styles me, I usually keep everything, just because I feel like she knows me so well. And then it also has a card in here that gives you your breakdown of what you received in your box with like the price and everything. Yeah, what each thing is called. And then it also has in here, which I really like, is the card. And I don't really like to look at the card until after I've seen what's in my box. The only thing I read on the card is from my stylist. Oh no, and I see it's not my usual stylist. Okay, I'm gonna read it. It says, "Happy Fix Day, Danielle. I'm so sorry to let you know that Rachel was not available to style you today, but I've reviewed your style profile." That's what the last one said. Your style profile, Fix inspiration board, and Pinterest, and think I found some styles you're going to love. I started with the Kaylee long sleeve knit top. The trim at the bottom of the sleeves and body really makes the top even better. How fun is the muted animal print? Pair it with the Just USA button-up skinny jeans. The button-up detail is super on trend and will look adorable with a little front tuck of your top. Finish off the look with some booties in the Urban Expressions faux leather clutch. Ooh, I got a clutch. The laser cut lace detail is absolutely stunning and perfect for a night out. You can even remove the chain crossbody strap and use it as a clutch. What do you think? XO Nicole. So her name is Nicole. My other girl's name was Rachel. I'm a little irritated that it's not my normal stylist because they just don't know me. They just don't. I want Rachel back. Stitch Fix, if you're watching this, where is Rachel? Okay, so here is the clutch that I got. It's cute, and I mean, I would wear it as a crossbody purse. Again, it's it's kind of dainty than what I like. I'm more of an edgy black wearing kind of person, blacks and grays, and this is like white, like lace detail. But anyway, so let's see how much this purse was. So the clutch was 38 bucks. Pretty good. I mean, since it's kind of cheap, I might keep it. Let's unbox the clothes. So it always comes nicely packaged. I'm sorry, my mood just kind of like switched. I'm like really irritated that my stylist, this is like the second time now. Okay, so I'm going to show you these items and then I'm gonna insert video footage of me wearing them and trying them on for you. So these are the jeans. This is what the back looks like. It's by Just USA. And they are skinny jeans, which I'm super excited about because I love skinny jeans. Okay, the skinny jeans were button-up skinny jeans. These are $58. So I really like skinny jeans. I like that these are high-waisted. I love the color, obviously, they're jean. And, you know, I always put that I like the price to be a little bit higher when it comes to jeans, just because jeans for me are super hard to find. But usually whenever Stitch Fix sends me jeans, they're usually spot on and they usually fit perfectly. So guys, keep in mind that quarantine is still going on and this is like the heaviest that I've been. But somehow Stitch Fix always gets it right. So these are the skinny jeans and they fit perfectly. This is what the back looks like. Has got the buttons that go all the way up. Don't mind my fluff. And then they are perfectly, the ankles are really perfect. So I am usually petite and my jeans when I buy them on my own are always super long, but Stitch Fix like always gets it right. So these are the skinny jeans and I have to say they're super comfortable and I will be keeping this. So here is that cheetah print top. Okay guys, so here is the top. It's super soft around the sleeves and on the inside. It's really soft. It is super comfortable. What do you guys think? I'm not sure if I'm going to be keeping this one or not. What do you guys think? So here is the brushed knit 2-pocket cardigan. So this one is super cute and it's really soft. It feels really good. It's just, they sent me a shirt like this last time in this color and I'm just not too fond of it. I wished it was like black or gray instead. And they actually sent me like a mustard yellow one like a couple months ago that I kept. I'll probably end up keeping this one, but just know that I'm not happy about it. No, but seriously, this one is cute. I have to say it is super cute. This one is $44. So this is the Valette cold shoulder blouse and this one is $38. What do you guys think? Like, I think it's cute. It's just not my style. So I'm probably gonna send this one back. And then the last thing we have is the clutch. which sucks because I love purses. I wish they would have sent it in black. I don't know. I think I'm gonna return it. What do you guys think? Would you keep it or return it? Like, it is really cute, but I have so many purses and bags. So I love the pants, and I guess I'm gonna keep this one, and I'm still thinking about if I'm gonna keep this one. The only thing I'm really thinking about returning is this top and the purse. So keep in mind, guys, like if you do order from Stitch Fix, if you keep everything, they give you a discount, but at the same time, they use what you purchased kind of against you, or not against you, but they use it for you to help them find out what they're gonna send you next time, which for me is kind of a double-edged sword because sometimes I'll just keep things even though I don't really want to. And then they'll think, oh, she kept this, it's her style, when really, no, it's not. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked what you see. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought. If you've ordered from Stitch Fix, guys, don't get me wrong, I love Stitch Fix. It's like all I ever order. I was just super disappointed that for the second time now, my stylist, it was somebody else. That's why I'm a little bit bitter. Other than that, I think everything was great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.